Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty Group.
You guys value another episode of Military Minute. We have a very distinguished guest with us today. We're going to...
Our mission is to be the real estate company of choice, to always utilize resources and technology to provide the best service to all of our clients, to be able to provide the options to best fit each client's needs, to treat every client like family, and guide them to a destination. Our vision, to be your real estate agent and advisor for life, to help guide you through each chapter of your life, honestly, ethically, and when you're ready.
Hello everyone, Michael Vandergrift, MCV Realty, coming to you today with another 3Rivers market report for July 9th, 2025. We've got ups and downs about tied this week, so market's still moving, closings happen every day. Got about the same active available inventories we did last week, exactly the same, 727 homes. Still far short of the 1,100 we need to be at that 3-month inventory to start to be into a balanced market, which is 3 to 6 months inventory, which in Fort Wayne Metro, where we calculate the data from, you need about 1,100 to 2,200 homes to be in that mark. So we sold about 4,450 over the last 12 months, which is up 2.3% versus last year. Active available homes, like I said, came in flat week over week, but up 46% year over year. New listings came in down 25% week over week, but up 24% year over year. Solds came in down 34% week over week, but up 38% year over year. And a lot of this slowdown, we had some slowdown in the overall numbers, but we saw the market actually speed up. Pendings came in down 6% week over week, but up 7% year over year. Median sale price came in at $269,900 over the last 7 days, showing up 1.1% versus last year's number. We're seeing year over year median sale price coming in about $250,000, showing about 4.1% up for the rolling 12 versus last year. Days on the market, we did see speed up. So we saw some speed up in the market, which is rare during 4th of July week, which is typically one of the slower weeks. It's kind of like Christmas and Thanksgiving week. Those are 3 of the weeks that we know are going to be slower in activity. But days on market did come in 21 average, 7 median, versus last year at this time where it was 30 average and 7 median. So we're actually faster than last year. And last 12 months homes sold came in at 4,450 versus last year 4,352, showing about 2.3% up versus last year. That is your market report in a nutshell. Everyone, make it a great day. Grace and peace.